28 days and your home will be completely organized. It's the 28-day home organization reset. We're taking small action steps, one each day for 28 days to get you completely organized. If you're a hoarder, that's something else. This is organization. Don't worry about when you joined in. You can look back and see some of the previous days, do a bunch one day, do nothing another day. The point is that you're taking small steps so you can reach your organization goal. This is day number 2. Lesson number 2, we're going to address wallets, purses, tote bags, and what have yous. The degree of difficulty here is definitely going to depend on how many bags, purses, wallets, totes that you have. You can start with one, the one you use the most. You can do them all, or you can do some. We're just going to focus on this section of your life. Totes, wallets, and all that stuff. Now, when it comes to people who carry totes, purses, satchels, and whatnot, there's no end to the list of things that could be in there. So if you have a complicated bag, treat it like you would a junk drawer. I used to coach clients to use small bags when you're going through your purses or your totes so that you can group like items together. If you've got some cosmetics in there, well, then you probably want these. The simple point is to gather these bags and dump them out. Get everything out, organize the stuff into smaller chunks, and get those things where they belong in the house. If you want something in your tote that you're going to utilize daily, by all means put it in there. It's also a great idea to keep a box, a bag next to the door, and the night before you're going to go out, when you think about what you're going to need, toss it in that box or bag, and it'll be there for you, ready when you hit the door the next day. Now, on the smaller scale, when we're talking about wallets, checkbooks, those can be emptied much easier. Same system. Empty them completely, go through. Most of those receipts you're not going to need, or you would have had them out of there a long time ago. Clear it out, dump everything out, go through it, and only put back in what you're really going to need. How many times have you been standing in line to check out and somebody ahead of you is rifling through their bag, taking way too long because they can't find the card they're looking for? Don't let that be you. And I also want to add, if you have tons of purses and totes and all of that mess, think about scaling back, donating, just getting them out of the house. Girl, just throw them out the window driving down the road. You need to let them go. Don't forget to take before and after pictures of your wallets, purses, especially your credit card numbers and that 3-digit code. But let us know how you're doing in the comments. Get ready for another small task for day number 3. Don't forget to follow along so you won't miss the upcoming days. Now go dump a purse out. Show us what you got.